So students, after calculating all numerical types question, let us have now combination type questions. Okay, so here is a resultant resistance questions. I am giving you one figure here. As you can see that resistance 1, resistance 2 and resistance 3 of them are combined in a series form and with a battery here. Okay, so in question, if you are provided that all 3 of them are of 5 ohm resistance and voltage of each cell, because there are 5 cells that are attached here, and of 2 volt each. So we need to find the current here. Okay, so for this kind of questions, first of all, we need to find the total voltage, that is V is equals to 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10 volt, because each cell conducts 2 volt of voltage and 5 cells are here. So 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10 voltage. Okay, now total resistance we need to count, and you people know that whenever there is a series question, so R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus R3, right? Okay, so here also we need to add all these values. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give you 15 ohm total. Okay, now you know the formula V is equals to IR according to the Ohm's law. Here in this case we need to find the value of I. So we can shift it like this. V divided by R is equals to I, so that we will get the value of I here. So here again I is equals to V divided by R. So our value of V will be 10 volt and the value of R that we have calculated right now, that is 15 ohm. So after calculating all numerical part here by cancelling 10 and 15, you know 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So 2 divided by 3 will give you approximate value of 0.66 ampere. Yes, providing SI unit is very essential, students.